Hey, you fabulous freaks. It's summer.
It is summer.
It's like 90-something degrees outside.
I don't even know how hot it is outside.
And if you guys, this is the day after the zoo trip, so for those of you who did show up, you're awesome. Sorry I'm a wuss. I don't do well in heat. And I'm sorry that some of you had medical problems that couldn't bring you out, because it was stupid hot and stupid humid.
Yeah.
I don't care what anyone says.
We're planning another one in September, and we're hoping that the weather will be better at that point. Like, September in Missouri is just... Who knows?
It's a crapshoot. It's a crapshoot.
Who knows? It's a gamble. So we have another Glamour Ghoul box today.
Woo!
This is the Addams family one.
Ooh, I'm excited. Do 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 do. Woo!
Okay.
Oh, what did my Nate called it something else? It's a ghoul gang.
Ghoul glam.
Ghoul glam. So now instead of Glamour Ghoul, it's Ghoul Glam.
It's Ghoul Glam.
It's Ghoul Glam.
And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's mostly noodles.
Yeah, noodles, little wormies.
And then here's our card. Not gonna look at anything else. And the first thing we got is
what?
It's another notebook from the Risky Rabbit.
Oh, that Risky Rabbit.
It's got the family portrait.
Oh, at the one wedding.
The family values.
Oh, right.
That's actually kind of cool. I've actually been using the other one for a job, so that's actually really cool.
Oh, I'm already in love. It's Wednesday! We gladly feast on those who would subdue us. It's a little Wednesday Addams ring. It's so cute.
Next. Oh, that's not the same thing. There's a pencil.
Oh, cool.
It says creepy and kooky.
Okay then.
I'm gonna draw something.
And then there's another thing that's similar, and this is Spiced Cosmetics.
Looks like
it's an eyeliner.
Yeah, it looks like eyeliner.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it's not bleeding. Nice. It bleeds a little bit, but it's not bad.
Didn't smudge.
It's not bad at all. Cool!
Alright, and then there's a Pretty Ghouls business card and a Morticia Addams.
Oh, that's pretty.
Pen. It's a pen.
I love Morticia.
That is pretty. Ooh, from, let's see, 10th Dimension ArtCollective.com. Fancy schmancy.
You know, I feel like a lot of us started off trying to be Wednesday when we were younger, and then now we're all into being Morticia.
Yep.
Okay.
And then that should be the last thing.
Oh, it looks like a little Gomez skull. That's cute. This is by Strange Fire and Funery. It's kind of vanilla-y. Kind of got a vanilla-ish to it. Says, never leave candle unattended, keep away from children and pets, burn safely. Gives kind of a vanilla vibe to it.
It reminds me of Christmas.
Right?
Embrace the void.
Embrace the void.
It's like a very hinty thing of Christmas, but not horrible.
I'm actually pretty happy with what we got, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Make sure we got everything. Black eyeliner from Spiced Cosmetics.
Check.
Morticia pen from 10th Dimension Art Collective.
Check.
Ring from prettyghouls.net.
Check.
Mini notebook and pencil from the Risky Rabbit.
Oh! Also check.
And then Monshare candle from strangefireandfumery.com.
Checkity check.
That was neat.
That was. It was cute.
It was cute.
That's very cute.
What did you think of the new Addams Family cartoon movie?
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't seen a picture of it yet?
No, because I suck.
Alright, hold on.
Oh. Pardon me while I look at this all old lady like. Okay.
They kind of stuck with the classic look.
Yeah, they kind of stuck with the classic cartoon, but a little more demented. Although, what the hell is up with Uncle Fester? His head looks like almost like a football. An overinflated football.
Thank you guys for joining us. We will see you next time.
Bye!